Hello, students of Psychology 260. I would like to explain Figure 211. This was the basis of discussion 1. So what we have in this figure is that this person here is picking up a hot casserole pot from the oven. It's a little bit too hot for him, and so what's happening is that a pain receptor here is being activated, which will activate this sensory neuron, which is colored in purple. And this sensory neuron sends that pain signal up through the arm, up through the shoulder, and into the spinal cord, where it synapses onto this interneuron, which is colored in green. This interneuron will then carry this excitatory signal to a motor neuron, which is colored blue here. The motor neuron, once activated, will carry its excitatory signal out of the spinal cord, through the shoulder, into the upper arm, and to this muscle. This muscle is called an effector, and that when it contracts, it will lead to a pain withdrawal reflex, and this person will drop this casserole pot, thus ruining dinner. So that's what this pain withdrawal reflex arc is all about. Receptor for pain, the sensory neuron here, the interneuron here, a motor neuron here, which then synapses onto the muscle, which, if it contracts, will be the pain withdrawal reflex. It will result in this pot being dropped. Now, in this case, this person does not want to drop that pot, and so there's a neuron in the brain that's monitoring everything, and it will try to stifle any pain withdrawal reflex that may occur. And so this is the person's neuron in the brain going down to this level of the spinal cord, which is represented over here. And so here's the axon from the brain delivering its excitatory signal to this inhibitory interneuron. This interneuron then is activated, and it will make its synapse to this motor neuron delivering inhibitory signals. Now, the hope here for this person is that these inhibitory signals will be sufficient to cancel out these excitatory signals from this interneuron. If they do cancel the excitatory signals, more or less, then this motor neuron will have no activity or very little activity leaving the central nervous system and synapsing onto this muscle. So this muscle will either not contract or contract very little. And the result is that this person will probably not drop this casserole pot and dinner is saved. So please review this diagram and see if you understand what I just said. If you did not, please feel free to review this video again. Goodbye.